Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to compile, build, and test our port binding ret. Note, however, that this time we are choosing a different port for a change. This ret is going to listen on port 5555. So let us click on the build button and click on build here, build solution, to let it build. On the bottom left, you will see that build has started. And now it says build succeeded. Let us run directly from the exe file. So we head over to our C drive. In the ret projects, open project number 06 here. Go to the bin and open the debug folder and run this file. Double click on it to execute. So the firewall will alert you. Just allow it. Allow access. Click on this button. Then go open your CMD command prompt. And then here, just telnet. Before you telnet, let's run netstat first. Netstat-tan. And check to see if port 5555 is listening. And over here you can see port 5555, it is listening. That means our ret is up and running. Let us clear screen by typing CLS and hitting enter. Now we will telnet to our ret. Telnet localhost at port 5555, hit enter. And immediately you get your command shell. Now you see up here we are telnet localhost, but we are getting a command shell. And then you can type who am I, hit enter, and then you tell you that I am this person with this account on this laptop. And then you can type dir, means directory listing. And then you can see your folders that are available there in this folder. So whatever command that you can type on the DOS in the command prompt, you are now able to do that over here. You can even change directory, cd spacebar dot dot, and then you see that you are now in the bin directory. And if you dir, you can see the two folders there. And whatever command you can type in the DOS prompt, in the command prompt, is now at your disposal. So our ret works. If you want to quit, you just type exit and host is shut down. So you can confirm that by typing netstat again. And you see 5555 is shut down. Alright, no more listening. So our ret is working. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.